Our visit to North Carolina has come to an end. We have just crossed the Georgia line. We are headed to our next campground in Georgia, Little Tallapoosa Park. Meanwhile, let's check out a little bit of road into Georgia and then through Atlanta. Stay tuned, more to come. Well, that drive wasn't too bad coming down through Atlanta. That wasn't any worse than driving in Dallas. I was led to believe it was going to be bad, but of course it is the 5th of July and perhaps more people stayed home from work than normal. Anyway, we have made it to the Little Tallapoosa Park. This is a county operated park. I don't know what county. We'll have to head up to the front and find that out. Refresh my memory. And we're gonna do a quick site review, then I'm gonna jump on the scooter. Site number 11. It's a pull-through site. It's got quite a bit of slope to it. It's pull-through, full connection. It's good on the side to side. So we have sewer, water, 30 and 50, 20. Now, this section of the park appears to be rather new, well cared for. We have a picnic table, a fire ring. Now, if I had my awning, I could put that right out over the picnic table. But since the wind took out the awning, and we're only here for one day, we'll just let the sun shine. So that's our site number 11 at Little Tallapoosa Park. We'll jump on the scooter and head up to the front and shoot some scooter footage. FPV scooter footage. Easy for me to say. Little Tallapoosa Park, Georgia. Check it out. A brand new water feature. Perfect for getting cool when it's hot. Take a picture of that for Google. So if you're headed east or west on I-20, this is a good place to stop. It's on the west side of Atlanta, about 5 to 6 miles south of I-20. Little Tallapoosa Park. Stop by and cool off. Little Tallapoosa Park, Georgia. Carroll County, Georgia. We got here sooner than I expected. Atlanta was not nearly as bad, traffic-wise, as I was led to believe. I'm so happy that I found this little park. Now, you know, state parks, I really like the state and national parks. Number one, they're public land, so they're more on the wild side. I'm not a huge fan of private parks because the sites are typically really cramped, small. Whereas the public parks, you typically have a little more room to spread out. This little county park is kind of the best of both worlds. Typically you have a few more amenities at a private park than you have at a public, you know, a state or national park. Certainly more than most of your national parks, which are dry camping. Here, we have full connections with sewer. We've got a good solid pad, a table. Great place to walk the dogs. I mean, right across the street here, we've got a park or a green grass space area. If you got little kids, there's a water park up the way here. There's even coin-operated washer and dryer at the bathroom, shower and bathroom. Very clean, I might add, shower and bathroom. And the spaces are a little bit tighter, a little closer than I would normally expect at a public park. But it's not overly, you know, it's not one on top of the other. Like that park that we stayed at down in College Station. That was just literally a big parking lot. Or the one we stayed at down in Big Bend, which was a parking lot with hookups. So anyway, I'm really liking the Little Tallapoosa Park. Can't get down to the river that I have found, but there's still plenty to do here. Although we're only here for one day. We're only here for the one day, and it looks like we're gonna have showers this evening. We've kind of been cursed the whole journey with afternoon showers. What you gonna do? Without an awning, I guess I'll be staying inside. More to come. Here we are the Little Tallapoosa Park. I just finished doing the official FPV scooter tour. I've been seeing these pathways, paved pathways I might add, going down into the trees, and I think we can get down to the Little Tallapoosa River. So let's go do a little exploring. This is I would have to say this is one of the top ADA friendly campgrounds that I have been to. As far as, you know, being able to access trails. All right, we are back rolling after that momentary interruption. I rolled up a little bit onto that bridge. While I was talking on the phone, I got swamped by mosquitoes. So gotta keep moving. Little Tallapoosa Park, I think I'm pronouncing. I gotta find out if I'm pronouncing this right. Anyway, you can come out here and do a little fishing while you're camping. Well, you can even go over there and there's a picnic table and dine in fine style with the ducks at Little Tallapoosa Park. All right, so that pretty well, that's Little Tallapoosa Park. That's all there is to it. So I guess for the rest of the day, well, that's Little Tallapoosa Park. Not a whole lot to it, but what there is of it is pretty good quality. I would encourage you to come out here and pay a visit if you're driving east or west on I-20 and you just want a good place to stop, spend a night or two and relax and recover from the drive. This is the place to do it. Oh, and don't take fireworks into the laundry room. They don't appreciate that. And I know, because there's a sign, this is no fireworks. Speaking of fireworks, someone's setting them off. Until I have more to say. Let's go find out how to pronounce this thing. Good morning, YouTube. Here we are at Little Tallapoosa Park. Well, we got another huge downpour last night. Par for the course on this journey. This morning, we are packed up, about to close the slide and pick up the jacks and get on the road, continue west. We're going to Twittley Branch Campground, Collinsville, Mississippi. I think it's Collinsville. It's just northwest of Meridian, Mississippi. Corps of Engineer property. Just another one-night stopover. We broke our drive back to Texas, we broke it into 3 parts. So rather than just driving all day and collapsing exhausted, we're driving 4 and 5 hours and then set up camp and hang out. Well, that's where we are. So I hope you've enjoyed our visit to Little Tallapoosa Park. If you have, hey, give me one of those thumbs up. If you thought it could use some improvement, well, you can do the thumbs down thing. You're entitled to your own opinion. Hey, but if you do the thumbs down thing, please post a comment and let me know what I could do better. And most important, click on the subscribe button. We don't want you to miss any video that is uploaded. Click on the subscribe button so you don't miss anything we load. Those of you who have subscribed and watch, thank you. I am honored. Y'all come back now, you hear?